Right. So that's where we're gonna be fishing in the morning during the blizzard, and so I'll get back to you guys. It should be very fun and interesting. See you tomorrow. Well, ladies and gentlemen, here we are. As I said, we're supposed to get a bad snowstorm, so I'm out here on the ice. I mean, I've been fishing for about 2 hours. I've caught about 100 little perch that big, so you guys aren't missing much. I missed the freaking giant fish. I hate myself. Had it on, fighting it for about 2 minutes. It's rip and drag, and then it popped off. But we're going to be fishing all day, so I'll make sure to get some video for you guys. But yeah, not the best conditions, but we're going to make it happen.
Oh, giant perch.
Oh my god.
Got him. Yay. Nice perch.
Yay.
Milo, get.
Nice strike that boy. Owen, Mark, where?
Nice.
What?
Your buck track's red.
Is it?
Alright, ladies and gentlemen. I think my buddy Caleb got that on video for us. We got a whole crew out here today now. It's cool. We're fixing to make it fun, I guess. Got this nice fat perch.
Oh, that's enough gas to start like a giant bonfire.
Oh, come on.
Bonfire,
have
melt the ice.
We're going to keep fishing in this wonderful snowstorm.
Well, go get the lighter from
Alright.
I only got it right where it's right.
that blue one.
That's burning.
All day long. Oh, we've been catching. What do we got going on over here? Bunch of fools. Alright. Pop this baby off. Alright guys, got a little chilly. Went in the shanty. We're hooked up. Like I said, we've been catching these all day, but I did catch that one nice one.
He's huge. Caleb.
Yeah, see, that's what I mean.